नमस्कार दोस्तों, कैसे हो आप सभी? सत श्री अकाल, आदाब दोस्तों। वेलकम टू माय चैनल टॉक्स विद हृदय। तो आज का जो वीडियो है बहुत ही मज़ेदार और जोश भरा होने वाला है दोस्तों, क्योंकि आज अपने साथ है अदाजी नहीं सॉरी आरजे अदा आज हमारे साथ आने वाली है, जो कि है रेडियो जॉकी इन 91.9 रेडियो नशा। दोस्तों, इनकी अदाओं पर जो लोग हैं ये पूरे मोटिवेट हो जाते हैं, एकदम जोश से भर उठते हैं और इंस्पायर हो जाते हैं। ऐसे पर्सनालिटी से आज हम बातचीत करने वाले हैं, बहुत सारी बातें जानने वाले हैं। पूरा वीडियो देखिए हम लोग, बहुत मज़ेदार वीडियो होने वाला है। चलिए, सबसे पहले तो अदा जी बहुत बहुत स्वागत है चैनल पर।
Hi, Namaskar. It's me, Ada, more popularly known as RJ Ada, and I'm here on a mission to encourage the upcoming generation. I don't like to say that because, hello, I am this generation too. But yeah, well, here we go. I really hope you're well. I hope whoever's watching this, you're fine and your family is in the pink of health and lots and lots and lots of love. This is Talk with Hriday Patel and here we go.
और शुरू करेंगे कि आपने ऐसा कब सोचा कि मुझे एक आरजे रेडियो जॉकी बनना है? ऐसे क्या ख्याल आपको आया जिसकी वजह से आपने ये सोचा कि मैं एक आरजे बनूंगी?
I did not decide, it just happened. It was not like it was my mission in life कि मुझे एक RJ बनना है actually. I did know that I would be somewhere in the field of media because back in school and college, elocutions, debates, more elocutions actually, being on stage, mono acting, dancing was everything that I always did. School में भी मैंने कई award जीते. College में I was my teacher's favorite. So when I was like my last day, I was telling bye to all the teachers. So you know, one of my teachers is like, "अरे तू जा रही है, अब मैं किसका नाम दूँ intercollegiate competitions में?" I'm like, "Hello, you're supposed to be sad that I'm going, not the fact that I won't be representing." But that's how it was. And then a friend of mine actually, उसको एक audition के लिए call आया at a radio station for an online, you know, तो उसी radio station में एक दूसरा section था, which was an online radio station which would go live though, हाँ. So she got a call for an audition, and she said कि you want to come along? I said why not, you know. मैं सुनती थी रेडियो और मैं you know I'd love to like read a newspaper or like talk about a topic, ये सब मैं करती थी. So I was like चलो यार audition देते हैं. And we went, auditioned. I went first and I got selected and she didn't. तो मुझे बुरा लगता है कई बार जब मैं ये story बोलती हूँ, and if she's watching by chance because for some reason हम in touch नहीं है, you know, phones change हुए and all of that misunderstandings, and I feel so bad कि वो select नहीं हुई. But I'm happy for myself though, and of course I'm sure she's in a better place now and she's doing great for herself because बहुत अच्छा गाती है. So yeah, that happened and I got selected. They wanted a kind of a voice जो कि English भी है, थोड़ा हिंदी भी, so they CTJ kind of a thing, like a weekend show. तो I got selected and from there on वही जो radio station है Radio City, वहाँ पर एक RJ was going to Dubai and I got selected to get onto the afternoon show on that station, and then there was no looking back and here I am, almost 11 years from then. तो ये हो गया. It wasn't decided but I'm just glad it happened.
बहुत खूब, क्योंकि बात ऐसी है कि जाना दिल्ली था और हम चले गए साउथ में, तो पूरा अपोजिट था. मतलब दोस्तों, अदा जी ने सोचा ही नहीं था कि वो एक आरजे बनने वाली है. चलिए, हो जाता है. बहुत सारी लोगों की लाइफ में ऐसी स्टोरीज है कि कुछ करना कुछ और होता है और कुछ और ही करके बैठते हैं और उसमें सक्सेस हो जाते हैं. अदा जी, बीइंग आरजे, आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क कि एक आरजे का पूरा दिन का शेड्यूल कैसा होता है, उसका अगर बात करें कि डेली रूटीन कैसा होता है, ये हम लोग जानना चाहेंगे.
My routine. I've never thought of there's a routine because now in this lockdown life it's a whole new different thing. This where I'm sitting right now is kind of like my work from home setup. यहाँ पे मेरा mic है, laptop है, and you know we record and because going live right now is not really safe and possible studio में. So for safety's sake we're here, but if you're watching this after the lockdown, I'm back to the studio, so it depends on when you're watching this. The routine is very simple. We wake up, I mean what do you do, it depends on what time आप host करते हो show. So if you're an evening jock, you usually ऐसा होता है कि सोना लेट हो जाता है, 9 बजे तक तो शो होता है, तो सुबह भी थोड़ा लेट होता है, and then things are different. For a morning, for a breakfast RJ, it's different. For me, well, I host the evening show on 91.9 FM Radio Nasha, and I hope I still am when you're listening to this. If I'm not, please come on to my social media and follow me to know what I'm doing. But right now, in 2020, in September, when I'm recording this, yes, this is what I'm doing, and I host the evening show. It's called Dhak Dhak Evenings, and it's a lot of fun. It's a show that does well in terms of numbers. It does well in terms of people liking it. I'm really thankful and grateful कि मैं कर पा रही हूँ. तो अभी हम सुबह उठते हैं, ऑफिस जाते हैं, काम करते हैं. Like there is no routine when it comes to being an RJ or something in media, because कभी-कभी you have interviews lined up. There is no place to breathe, and sometimes you do have time to just do your show, which is not just a show. It's a lot of work. You have to work on your content.
दोस्तों, एक छोटा सा सवाल मैं पूछता हूँ. कभी आप चार दीवालों के बीच एक रूम में बैठकर कभी अकेले बात किए हो, या फिर कर पाओगे कभी? घंटे भर बैठकर चार दीवालों के बीच लोगों के दिल जीतना बहुत बड़ी बात होती है दोस्तों, और ये कर पाना भी बहुत आसान नहीं होता. जानते हैं अदा जी से ही खुद कि चार दीवालों में बैठकर एक स्टूडियो में अकेले बात करते हैं घंटों भर, और इतने लोगों के दिल जीतते हैं, इतने लोगों को इंस्पायर करते हैं. कैसे करते हैं ये सब? चलिए जानते हैं उन्हीं से.
That's exactly what I enjoy about being an RJ, talking in between four walls and still talking to lakhs and millions of people, whoever are listening. बहुत beautiful feeling है that I am talking to so many people, but yet I'm talking to that one person who is listening to me, who is tuned in to my show, and that's the best part. That's the best part. कि I get to talk to someone like a friend without knowing that person, and I've been able to really get thoughts across. I've been able to calm people down. I've been able to spread smiles. And ये मैं इसलिए नहीं कह रही हूँ कि मुझे लगता है, इसलिए क्योंकि मुझे बताया गया है. I've felt it through my listeners जो आते हैं ऑफिस में मिलने के लिए. So it's a lot of fun. That's the best thing about being an RJ, is that I get to be that friend of yours. पहले, अब तो खैर सोशल मीडिया पर सब दिखता है. पहले तो हम सिर्फ एक पिक्चर बनाते थे कि आरजे कैसे दिखता होगा, सिर्फ उसकी आवाज़ से एक तस्वीर बना लेते थे. अब तो खैर यू कैन कम एंड फॉलो, बट द पॉइंट इज दैट मैं फिर भी एक तस्वीर बनाने की कोशिश करती हूँ, अ बेटर पिक्चर, अ बेटर वर्जन ऑफ योर सेल्फ. सो दैट्स व्हाट आई ट्राई टू डू, एंड आई लव connecting with people's emotions, and that's my most favorite part of being an RJ.
अदा जी, मैं और एक सवाल ऐसा भी पूछूंगा कि आपने आज तक स्टूडियो में ऐसी कौन सी पर्सनालिटीज़ है? ऑब्वियसली स्टूडियो में काफ़ी बड़े लोग आते रहते हैं, बड़ी पर्सनालिटीज़ आते रहती है. ऐसे कौन सी पर्सनालिटीज़ है जिनके साथ आपका डिस्कशन हुआ है, आपके इंटरव्यूज हुए हैं?
A lot of people, a lot of inspiring people. In fact, a lot of people who work in office have been very inspiring with the way they work. I mean, my colleagues and my co-RJs and everybody. And if you want to know in terms of celebrities, then there's definitely been like everybody. Ranveer Singh से लेकर अमिताभ बच्चन से लेकर Govinda, and a lot of our retro kings and queens, Alka Yagnik and everybody. So they're all great. Everybody I meet is inspiring for some kind of content that I can do on my show and on radio.
अदा जी, आपके 11 साल के रेडियो जॉकी के एक्सपीरियंस में ऐसा कौन सा लाइफ चेंजिंग इवेंट आपके साथ हुआ है जो आपको याद हो, जो लोगों को मोटिवेट कर सकता है? ऐसी कौन सी एक दिल को छूने वाली जो बात हुई होगी आपके साथ? आप प्लीज शेयर कीजिए हम सभी के साथ.
Best talking experience is not really the right way to put it. This is an experience in itself. Every day is an experience. Lekin if you want to know something, that any events that would, they affected me or not affected me, that they kind of moved me, and I think would definitely motivate you too, is I got a call from someone जब मैं अपने previous radio station को छोड़ रही थी. मैंने कहा this is my last day, and I got a call from a blind man जो मुझे अपनी पोती मानते थे, and I speak in Marathi also because I'm born and brought up in Mumbai, so I'm like a Punjabi Porgi is what I always say. So he felt very connected to me and spoke to me in Marathi and cried. And then there was this one guy who called me and said that, you know what, Ada, I want to say thank you. I said, kya hua? I mean, you're welcome, but what did I do? So he said that you once spoke about, on No Tobacco Day, you were speaking about something about not smoking and stuff, but the way you said and what you said, I just wanted to listen to you, you know. मुझे ऐसा मन किया कि मैं आपकी बात सुनूं और वो करूं, सिर्फ सुनूं नहीं, करूं भी. तो I was like, wow. And then he said, I used to smoke a lot. And my mother and my wife were very concerned. मैं छोड़ना चाहता था, but I wasn't able to do it. And something that you said, I mean, आपने कुछ तो बोला, and I really felt motivated, and I ended up doing it. And from like 2 packets a day, I went to hardly 2 cigarettes a day, and now I'm like almost nil, and it's all thanks to you. And I said, wait a minute, मुझे time चाहिए to sink this. It felt beautiful because, you know, people go to therapy for this, people go to rehabs for this, and hats off to everybody who even goes to rehab. It takes a lot of guts, but my point is that if I was able to do this, and I felt so good, it moved me. And what's the motivation for you in this is that, you know, sometimes you need to trust someone that they will think good for you. आप किसी को अगर trust कर लो कि यार, you know what, मैंने अपने हिसाब से करके देखा, नहीं चल रहा था, अब मैं इसके हिसाब से करके देखूं जो मेरे लिए कुछ भला चाह रहा है या चाह रही है, and he or she is really confident about it, let me just try it. So trust in yourself is important, but also sometimes you need to trust and let go in someone else. It's and being a dancer, I know this, and I can say this for a fact that जब आप डांस करते हो, especially if you're doing some salsa or something जहाँ पे आपको ना घूम के ऐसे गिरना है. Now, if you don't trust that that guy or the girl who's going to hold you is going to hold you, you're not going to be able to do the dance step well. You're going to like be hesitant. तो वो beautiful नहीं लगेगा. When you fall with trust, and you know it ends up in a beautiful little dance. But if the person drops you, it's okay. It'll be a beautiful fall. You'll get up. You'll dance again. But if you've not given your best, then what's the point? You know, that's the point that I want to put across.
बात बताना चाहूँगा कि अगर आप अदा जी को इंस्टाग्राम या फेसबुक या उनके जो भी सोशल अकाउंट्स है इस पर अगर फॉलो करते हो, उनकी एक्टिविटीज़ देखते हो, तो आप एक चीज़ ऑब्जर्व करोगे दोस्तों कि शी इज़ वेरी एंथुसियास्टिक, बहुत पॉजिटिव रहती है, बहुत मोटिवेटेड रहती है, खुद को बहुत डेडिकेटेड रखती है दोस्तों. बहुत आसान नहीं होता है, ऑब्वियसली सभी ने रहना ही चाहिए पॉजिटिव, बट हाउ शी कीप्स हर सेल्फ पॉजिटिव ये हम उन्हीं से ही जानेंगे. तो अदा जी प्लीज शेयर कि आप खुद को इतना पॉजिटिव कैसे रखती हो.
पॉजिटिविटी इज अ थिंग लाइक मेनी थिंग्स, जब तक आप नहीं जाओगे आप पे काम नहीं करेगा. द बिगेस्ट ऑफ कोट्स, समटाइम्स यूर इन अ मूड, आपका ब्रेकअप हुआ तो आप ब्रेकअप कोट्स शेयर करते हो, आपको किसी ने फॉर ग्रांटेड लिया, somebody backstabbed you, somebody you know said bad things about you behind your back, and you realize and you share quotes and you're like, you know what, don't give in to what people say, do what you think, and you may share everything, you know, that you see and you like, but it will only make a difference when you decide to let it work on you. So I am someone who is definitely not positive all the time. That's the reality of life. I'm not always positive. Like right now, even when I'm recording this, there's so many things that I know that I have to get done, but I have to have this chat with you. I have to talk to you because I know there are some things that you're amazing at. I'd love to learn that from you actually. And please write down in the comments of things that, you know, you've learned and you've battled and you really want others to learn from and or get inspired from. But what I do is I am not able to always stay positive. So I let go of those feelings. I cry it out. I have my weak days, तो मैं रो देती हूँ, you know, and हल्का हो जाती हूँ. Because just like weight exercise करके घटता है, तो दिमाग में भी weight होता है ना, तो वो भी जब आप निकालो तो आप जो है वेट लूज कर सकते हो ऑफ बैड थिंग्स इन योर हेड. एंड आई रिसेंटली, ये जो एग्जांपल है, रिसेंटली कार्मेल, शी इज एन अमेजिंग लाइफ कोच एंड साइकोथेरेपिस्ट. थैंक्स टू हर आई रियली गॉट दिस एग्जांपल इन माय हेड ऑफ लूजिंग वेट ऑन योर माइंड. So that is one thing. If you, that's how I push myself. I don't force myself to do a lot of things. I calm myself. I sort of train myself, and it's a process. It also comes with age. It also comes with experience. So yes, there's some things that, in some days that you have to push yourself, और कुछ चीजें जानबूझ कर करनी पड़ती है. But on other days, let yourself go. Do things that you love to do. Give it time. If you can't make time, you know what? We all have time. We all don't have time. None of us have time. We have to make time. That's the challenge. Don't you make time to, like, say for example, scroll through? Like you're watching this video right now. Don't you make time to do that? Make time for yourself too. So after this video, make time for yourself and do something that you've been not doing for a while.
अदा जी, अगर मैं फीमेल्स की बात करूं जो इस फील्ड में आना चाहते हैं, आई विल से कि इफ़ शी वांट्स टू कम इन अ आरजे फील्ड एज अ करियर, तो आपके अंदाज में आपकी क्या राय रहेगी इन लोगों के लिए, या ऐसा क्या मैसेज आप फीमेल्स के लिए देना चाहोगे?
It's not about girls and it's not about boys. One thing, I mean, I know distinguishing is not a thing ever, and now more so कि यार ये फीमेल पायलट क्या होता है, मेल इट्स अ पायलट, ये you know what I mean, so don't give it a tag. But in this case, I will say that this question is valid in a way that women are more emotional and also emotionally strong. Men are less emotional. This is biologically, okay? And they're also less emotionally strong. Women can be physically strong also, and they are. Oh my God, I lift weights too, and I love gymming. And I know that the things I do, like even my trainer who trains me, उसको मैं बोलती हूँ तू करके दिखा दे, ये करा रहा है. But the point is that there will be mood swings, and those mood swings, and especially, you know, when it's that time of the month and you're on your days where you just don't want to work, you don't want to talk, you don't want to move a muscle, and then you have to talk and be happy or make someone happy, is a challenging thing. But it's a challenging thing about being an RJ. You know, that's the biggest challenge. So be it a guy or a girl, when you're an RJ, or whatever you put your feet into, whatever the shoes is, you have to make sure that you know you're in sync with it, है ना? तो अगर heels है तो आप sport shoes वाली चीज़ें नहीं कर सकते हो. अगर sport shoes है, हाँ heels वाली चीज़ कर सकते हो, पर थोड़ा modifications करके. So the point is कि if you're an RJ and you know that you know your job on your show, if you're an entertainment show, if you're a comedy show, if you're a love show, आपका काम है कि उस वक्त आप वो बात करो और जो सुन रहा है, सुन रही है, उसको वो फीलिंग पहुंचे, उसको अच्छा लगे, then that is your job. I mean, Johnny Lever, the greatest of comedians, okay, when they come on stage or when they used to talk or do anything comedy, even Kader Khan sahab, I love him still. I will always love him, yaar. When he does comedy, when he shoots, when Johnny Lever is on stage, he leaves everything behind, no matter what has happened back home or in his head. उस वक्त उनका काम है कि माइक पर आके जो भी उधर बैठे हैं या तो उन्हें हंसाएं या तो उनका मूड हल्का करें, you know. So that's what you have to do. You just have to make sure that you leave, you know how to disconnect, reconnect. That's the biggest challenge and the job for everybody, males and females.
अदा जी, मैं ये पूछना चाहूँगा कि आपके इसके साथ, मतलब ये तो एक हॉबी बन ही गई होगी आपकी एज ए आरजे, बट इसके साथ आपकी और क्या क्या हॉबीज़ है जो आपको बहुत खुश कर देती है, या आप उसे करती हो तो आपके अंदर एक अलग जोश आ जाता है? ऐसी कौन सी और भी आपकी हॉबीज़ है जो आपको पसंद है?
For all of my other hobbies and everything that I love doing, please follow me on my social media. I hope I keep this name, RJ Ada, ADAA, but if in case I change, let's just hope you find me. There are a lot of dance videos that I post, and I also a lot of times say that dance is my first love because music is literally in my DNA. Everything that I do is rhythm for me, you know. So I talk in rhythm. When I listen to engine noises, it's rhythm. Like Sneha Khanwalkar, you know that song she made, tung tung baja tung tung. She used every sound and train ki awaaz and everything for the sound of the song. Exactly, I feel Sneha. And you go, Sneha. But yeah, I have a lot of other hobbies and a lot of things that I'm exploring about myself even today. So just don't think कि यार इतना कुछ है मेरे में, मैं क्या बाहर निकालूं. It's okay, just see what you love the most. So dance is what I love the most and radio is what I'm doing and I love. So those are the two things you find on my social media. But apart from that, I love motivating. I wouldn't say inspiring as much because you know, you really have to love or look up or respect someone to be inspired by them. But I would definitely want to motivate a lot of people, and I have been doing that on my social media and on my radio show. So yeah, I do love cooking actually, but I don't get the time. I love to laugh. Laughing is my hobby. It should be a hobby because मतलब मैं जब हंसती हूँ मैं बहुत खुश हो जाती हूँ. Like I feel like woo, that's an exercise for my heart and my lungs and for my face and everything. And I also feel that जो आपको हंसते हुए देखता है उसको भी मजा आता है. हाँ, अगर वो खड़ूस है और वो मूड में नहीं होता तो उसको कभी भी कुछ नहीं अच्छा लगेगा. We're not talking about them. I mean, respect for everybody's moods, but you can't always please everybody and you're not here for that. You're just here to do your thing, do what you do best, put in your efforts always, don't give up. And if you ever feel like giving up and if you ever don't feel motivated, so try helping someone else. You know, that really helps and gives you a direction in life and a different perspective. तो सुनिए लोगों का, आजकल हम सुनते कहाँ हैं, and I really hope you've been listening to this. I can go on and on and on because this is one of my other hobbies. I love not just to talk but to make someone get inspired by what I'm talking.
दादाजी का अगर आप डांस देखोगे ना, कुछ बोलना नहीं है मुझे, बस देख लेना, आप समझ ही लोगे. क्या कहूँ मैं, रुकने का मन नहीं करता है. सवाल पे सवाल आते ही जाएंगे दोस्तों, बट कहीं ना कहीं हमें रुकना है.
To make someone believe in themselves, to make someone rediscover themselves, and to make whoever is listening feel that they are amazing. So you are amazing and do not forget that. Thank you so much for this chat, and I really hope you enjoyed it. And if there's anything more that you want me to talk about, write down the comments below or just like ping me. And thank you so much for doing this, Hriday and his team. And yeah, lots of love.
थैंक यू सो मच अदाजी, हमारे चैनल पर आपने आपका टाइम निकाल कर शूट किया और हम सभी के साथ आपकी सारी बातें शेयर की. बहुत अच्छा लगा. आई होप सभी लोग जिसने भी ये वीडियो देखा होगा ऑब्वियसली इंस्पायर हुआ रहेगा. और दोस्तों, कोई भी चीज़ ऐसी हो जो आपको शेयर करनी हो, अदाजी से आप तक आपकी बात पहुंचानी हो, तो प्लीज़ कमेंट कीजिए. आई विल मेक श्योर कि आपकी वो बात वहाँ तक पहुँचे, अदाजी तक पहुँचे, और वो भी ट्राई करेंगे कि आपका वो रिस्पॉन्स देने के लिए आपसे बात करें. तो शुक्रिया दोस्तों, आपने मेरा वीडियो पूरा देखा, और अगर पसंद आया होगा तो लाइक बनता है, सब्सक्राइब बनता है, नहीं बेल आइकन भी दबा दो, साथ ही शेयर करो दोस्तों के साथ, और लेट्स बिकम सक्सेसफुल टुगेदर.